Here is a 52-inch Hunter Studio Series remote control ceiling fan. 5 blades. Like I said, it's 52 inches. Got it off of eBay for $50. White blades and bleached oak. Top of it gives you the option of whether to be down routed or flush mounted. I have it down routed. And as you can see, it gets really close to this garage beam right here, and sometimes it can get off balance and hit it. So it needs to stay in balance. But that isn't much of a problem. Yeah, like that. This ceiling fan is from March of 1995. Doesn't have any lights on it, but my parents would like me to find one for it to brighten up this area of the garage. Have it here in the garage. Replaced my Hunter Brighton. And it doesn't have any pull chains because, like I said, it has a remote control for it. Right here. Hunter. And, here are the buttons. So, yeah. So let's start it up on low, I guess. So, yeah. Put the remote over there. And here it goes. And, like most Hunter fans, it does, spin kind of slow. Garage light over there just turned off. Anyway, now for medium. And now for high. Yeah, this fan blows a lot of air. This is Hunter on the switch housing. Also says it's somewhere on the motor housing. Anyway, so I guess I'll reverse it and show it to you running clockwise. So this ceiling fan is basically a Hunter low profile with a down rod. That's basically what this fan is. There are a few other differences, but that's basically what this fan consists of. So yeah, I'll just shut it off here at the switch. So it turns everything off and makes it a little dark in here. Anyway, so that is it. This is the 52-inch Hunter Studio Series. Thanks for watching.